Let's do this one at a time, shall we? Okay, come on over! One at a time!
All right, Eric. I'm gonna leave you just for a minute, okay? And then you're gonna be right behind me, okay?
Mom, I've been alone in a water truck for 8 weeks. I think I can manage the next 2 minutes without you.
Okay, Eric!
Okay,
Come on, honey!
over you go.
Mom?
Oh my God.
What is it?